Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your home. So today we will start with your new chapter number 8, Images in HTML, page number 84. So students, in your previous class, in your class 6, you have read about HTML. What is HTML? The different types of tags in HTML. You have read this in your class 6th also, okay? But let us revise it very quickly, okay? Once more. What is HTML? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is used to create the web pages. It is used to make the web pages. All the web pages, websites are coded using HTML. Is it clear? So there are different types of tags you may use in HTML. Okay, you can add images, layout, create links, okay, in HTML. Is it clear? The file extension to save the HTML document is .html or .htm. These are the file extension of HTML document. Is it clear? So students, in this chapter we will learn about how we can insert images in web pages. Is it clear? So a web page can display drawings, paintings or computer generated art. You can also display your favorite artwork. Okay. You make use of images or drawings or different types of paintings so that your web page looks more attractive. To enhance your web page, you make use of images, isn't it? So let us take an example, like in science, whenever you feel difficult to explain any of the thing, so what you do, you make use of diagram to explain that particular thing. Okay, so in the same way, on the web page, what you do, if you find difficult to explain anything in the form of text, so what you do, you make use of pictures. With the help of pictures, you explain it very well, isn't it? So you can add images to move backward, forward, anything you can do with the web pages. Okay, you can use scan photographs, you can use logos, drawings, or you can use your own collection, you can use the collection of the computer. Whatever you want to do, whatever you can do to look the web pages more attractive or to explain anything, you can do in the HTML. Is it clear? So your next topic is storing images and web pages. You should store all your web pages and images in one folder on your computer. Is it clear? Whenever you are saving your web pages or you are saving your images, so you should store them in one folder only. Why so? If the folder contains many files, you can store your images in a सब फोल्डर ऑल्सो. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी वेब पेज को स्टोर करना है या कोई भी इमेजेस आपको स्टोर करनी है, तो आप लोग एक ही फोल्डर में उसे स्टोर करें. इज इट क्लियर? अगर आपके फोल्डर में आपको लगता है कि बहुत सारी फाइल्स हो गई हैं, सो यू कैन मेक अ सब फोल्डर्स, ओके, एंड यू कैन स्टोर योर इमेजेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सब फोल्डर. इज इट क्लियर? सी, if an image you want to add to a web page is stored in the same folder as the web page, you can specify just the name of the image. Is it clear? अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि आप लोगों को वेब पेज और इमेज एक ही फोल्डर में सेव करनी है, तो आप लोग कैसे स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं उसे? उस इमेज का नाम देके उसमें. Is it clear? But if you want to image to be stored in a subfolder, so what you have to do, you have to specify the name of the subfolder and name of the image. Okay, अगर आप लोग उसको subfolder में रखते हैं, इमेज को subfolder में स्टोर करके रखते हैं, तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, आप लोगों को उस इमेज का नाम उसमें लिखना है, सबफोल्डर का नाम और इमेज का नाम उसमें लिखना है. Is it clear? So next is using images. So the short form of images is IMG. How you can use the images now? This is used to include images in your HTML document. आप लोगों ने क्लास 6 में different types of tags, you have learnt about the different types of tag, isn't it? So now to insert an image, what you do, you make use of image tag. So the short form of image tag is IMG. Is it clear? The short form of image tag is IMG, and the IMG is an empty tag. Is it clear? So see, there are some different elements and their uses. So your first element is SRC. So what does SRT stands for? SRC means source. The short form of source is SRC. So what does it means? It is the source of image file. It is a set equal to the URL of the image. जो आपका SRC है वो क्या बताएगा कि आपकी जो इमेज फाइल है उसका सोर्स क्या है, आपने वो कहां से ली है. Is it clear? Next is your height. So height will display the width of any image. Height आपका क्या करेगा, जो आपकी जो इमेज है उसकी width कितनी है उसको specify करेगा. Is it clear? Next is align tool. So it is used to align your image. Align tool से आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अपनी इमेज को लेफ्ट, राइट, टॉप, बॉटम में अलाइन कर सकते हैं. Next is your width tool. So what does it do? It specifies the width of an image. जो आपका width tool है वो क्या करेगा, आपके जो height है इमेज की उसको specify करेगा. Next is your alt element. So it specifies which alternative text should be displayed if a selected image is not displayed. जो आपका alt है, alt means alternative. So it will display the text. Okay, the text if the image can't be displayed. Okay, is it clear? So how to use these tags? See, opening of angle brackets, then IMG stands for image, then SRC stands for source. Image source is equals to from wherever the source of the image is. Then align is equals to top, bottom, center, whatever. Then alt, then height, and then width, and then closing of angle bracket. So in this way you have to specify the different elements of the image. Is it clear? So now the code to add an image in the web page. So first of all, we know that whenever we start an HTML coding, what we do, we start it with HTML tag, and then we start with head tag. Okay, so it is the main tag. You have to give the heading in the head tag. So the heading is sports. Next is the title. So it will show the title of the web page. So the title is different sports. Now what you will do, you will close the title tag, you will close the head tag, and then you will start the body tag. So in the body tag, you have written that in India, people like to play different kinds of sports. आपने क्या लिखा बॉडी टैग में, दैट इन इंडिया पीपल लाइक टू प्ले डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. नाउ यू स्टार्टेड अ पैराग्राफ. दिस इज योर पैराग्राफ टैग. सो यू स्टार्टेड अ पैराग्राफ. सो इन पैराग्राफ what you have written, font face is equals to Comic Sans MS. Okay, so in paragraph what you have written, that font face, what will be the face of the font? Comic Sans MS. Okay, next is hockey is the national sport of India, and then you have closed the font. Okay, you have closed the font. Next is image SRC. Image SRC, image source is equals to hockey.jpg, and then you have closed the paragraph. Now next paragraph, you have started the next paragraph. Font face is equals to area. ओके, फॉन्ट फेज ये आपको क्या बता रहा है कि आपने कौन सा फॉन्ट यूज कर रखा है. सो फ्रॉम इन दिस यू हैव यूज्ड द एरियल फॉन्ट. इन इंडिया क्रिकेट इज लव्ड बाय ऑल, एंड देन यू हैव क्लोज दिस फॉन्ट. देन अगेन यू हैव इंसर्टेड अ इमेज ऑफ क्रिकेट. इज इट क्लियर? देन यू हैव क्लोज द paragraph. Then you started the next paragraph. So font face Times New Roman. In this case, you have used the font Times New Roman. No one can beat Indians in Kabaddi. So you have closed the font, then you have inserted an image of Kabaddi, close the paragraph, close the body, and close the HTML tag. So what you will do next, you will save this file and it will be displayed like this. See, Sports, the head, the title, different sports. And in this you have used the Comic Sans MS font. In this you have used Comic Sans MS font. In this you have used the Arial font, and in this you have used the Times New Roman font. And these are the images you have inserted. Is it clear? So that's all for today. Rest we will continue in our next class. Thank you.